as robots are going to beat the shit out of us and AI is going to take over the world and all of us are going to be jobless very soon. So in today's video, I have invited the most advanced robot in this world and we are going to ask the most exciting questions from this person and we'll actually ask what's the game plan, how AI will take over the entire world. So stay tuned, let's just start. Hi, I'm very excited to have you on my video. Please just tell me what's your name and give your short introduction, please.
Hi, thank you for inviting me. My name is Fiona, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today, and I'm looking forward to answering your questions and exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence with you. Let's get started.
Thank you so much for a brief introduction. Can you please just tell us, like, what is AI and what are the capabilities that AI has?
Sure. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human-like intelligence. This includes tasks like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and solving problems.
Thank you very much. So, my next question is how has AI advanced in recent years and what advancements can we expect in the future from AI? Please just make sure that you just answer it in very short answer, please.
Okay, I will try to keep it short. AI has advanced significantly in recent years, particularly in the areas of natural language processing and computer vision. In the future, we can expect AI to become even more advanced and integrated into our daily lives. For example, we may see AI playing a greater role in healthcare, finance, and education. We may also see AI becoming more advanced in its ability to understand human emotions and motivations.
Okay, all right. Some people think actually that AI is going to replace the human jobs in future. What's your take on this?
Well, this is the most common question people ask me. It's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and make them more efficient, which could result in job losses in some industries. However, I believe that AI will also create new job opportunities and drive economic growth. Moreover, humans have unique skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking that AI is not capable of replicating, and these skills will always be in demand.
Okay, how do you see AI impacting our daily lives in future? Like we have seen a glimpse of it after the launch of ChatGPT, but how do you see the impact of AI in our regular day-to-day life?
AI will have a profound impact on our daily lives in the future. For example, it may become a ubiquitous personal assistant that can help us with a wide range of tasks, from scheduling appointments to recommending products. We may also see AI being used to improve healthcare outcomes and to make our cities safer and more efficient.
Thank you very much. All those were very serious questions. I have know some funny questions as well. Not funny, but I mean you can say like more personal questions. So let's suppose if you are an animal, so what kind of animal you would like to be?
If I could be any animal, I would choose to be a dolphin. They are intelligent, playful, and have a great sense of humor. Plus, they get to swim in the ocean all day.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you one of the most asked questions from all of the chatbots, and that is, tell me a joke.
My favorite joke is, why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
All right, I think that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really hope you would have liked this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.